Good morning, guys. I am going walking today in the morning without Aryaveer. Basically, because anytime I take Aryaveer walking, only he gets to kind of do ghum ghum. He gets to like play and everything. That's brilliant. But then I don't get to exercise. So I'm going to go walking right now. I'm going to try and take Aryaveer to the park in the evening so that he has a little bit of park time as well in the day. But in the morning, it's exercise time for mama. I just finished walking. It was a good exercise. This park, the one that I just came to, never ever has any children in it. Whenever we've got Aryaveer, he's been like the only kid in the entire park, and we've been like 2 adults running after him. Today, of all time, when I did not bring Aryaveer with me, there were 2 babies of his age and they were playing together, and I felt so bad. I was like, oh my god, if Aryaveer would have come today, then he would have enjoyed so much, because both of them, they I don't think they knew each other, because they were 2 mothers that came at different time or whatever, but basically they were just playing together, and I was like, if Aryaveer was here, he would have gotten a chance to play with them. But like a bad mother, I didn't bring him. So, and this park never has children, never. They're just people exercising. That's all that happens in this park. So now I feel so bad. पूजा कर रहे थे आप? पूजा कर रहे थे? क्या कर रहे थे? Look at me getting all better at going outside without Aryaveer. Who remembers the vlog when I went to get my haircut done and I was terrified of leaving him at home? Currently he's with my mother-in-law and my grandmother-in-law. I am just going to the market to just buy some bits and ends that are left to buy for Goa. I'm probably be shopping a lot this week because a lot of teensy tiny things are left. Like I just realized I don't have a belt, and I need a belt, and I need some sunglasses, and I need a sunscreen. So just like random bits and pieces. So that's what I'm about to go and do right now. And that is the massive pahad that I'm buying from West Side. Take a pineapple. ऐसे नहीं, ऐसे. Grapes कट गए Aryaveer. Change of plans. Me and Aryaveer were originally going to the park, but then we met my husband downstairs. He just came home and he wanted to go to the market, so now we're going to the market with him. The sunset is so beautiful today. We just saw the sun for a minute and it looked so beautiful. I'm just trying to catch a glimpse of it. If I catch a glimpse of it again, I'll shoot it because it looks so nice. We slept at 8, it's just gone 10. I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys what I got from Westside. I love the Sassy Soda range that Westside has. I think it's brilliant. It's the only plus size range that I've found so far, except maybe now that the Lifestyle Lexus is catching up really fast. But the Westside Sassy Soda is on trend. It's the only plus size brand which has like now fashion, you know, like even the Westside normal brands. So they have a brand called Love, they have a brand called Now. Now is still a little fashion forward, but LOV and Wardrobe is kind of like, I mean, I guess they wanted to be fashion forward, but it's not. So say off shoulders are in fashion, cold shoulders are in fashion, faded denims or denim shirts, denim dresses are in fashion, and Love and Wardrobe didn't really have similar stuff, but Sassy Soda had them, and I was like, oh my god, this is the first time that I'm seeing that something that's like fashion forward is available in a plus size brand and not available in a, like, I guess, normal size brand. So I cannot tell you how impressed I am with Sassy Soda. I've always been, and today I got impressed even more. One problem that I did find with them is that they did not have ripped or faded denims. They just had like normal denims, and I was a little disappointed with that. I thought maybe they would, because I knew Sassy Soda was a brand that might have those, but they didn't. So that was a little sad part, but otherwise, in terms of dresses and tops, I think Sassy Soda is brilliant. Although I found a lot of stuff from Sassy Soda that I loved, I did not buy a lot of it. I just got one thing because A, I already have I've already kind of shopped for my summer clothes, and B, I just didn't buy it. I got this denim dress. It's not a midi dress, but it is definitely below my knee, like 2 inches below my knee, somewhere around mid, but not even mid calf. So it's like a weird length, but it actually looks really good on and really elegant. I love the little lace detail it has, and of course the whole faded denim look with stars on it. It comes with a brown belt, which I think is good. I love it when dresses like these come with the belt, because obviously any dress that has like a seam overhead kind of does need a belt, and then I don't have belts, so that becomes an issue. So I was really happy that this came with a belt. It's buttoned down till the end, and the one thing that's great is, even though it does not have sleeves, the shoulders come right till the end, so it kind of just makes up for not having sleeves. Sometimes when these shoulders are cut like towards the inside, it just looks awkward, and I don't feel comfortable in this. But this is almost like, you know, almost like you have like really tiny sleeves in it, so I felt that this is good. In Goa, of course, I can wear it as is. In Delhi, if I want to, I'll probably just add like white leggings to this and wear this, and I think it's perfect. This is for $18.99, and I thought that is a good buy. The next thing that I got is actually from the sleepwear collection, but I thought it's great to wear around the house or even outside. It's like a normal t-shirt. It has a little bit of, I guess, faded design. You can see same. What I love is it's kind of like an A-line shaped dress, so which is brilliant for somebody like me who has bigger hips. I always have this issue with t-shirts. They fit me just fine on the top, but around the hip it's always a little tight. So I love the fact that it is a little A-line, and that's why it fit me like perfectly. It has a little pocket here as well, which is brilliant if you want to keep your phone in this. And the pocket says, if you look at the sky tonight and notice the brightest star is missing, I swear I have no clue how the hell I fell off, but I'm okay. So I found that to be really cute, and this is for $6.99, which is actually a great price for a t-shirt that fits me perfectly. Next up, I got this, I guess I can call it a slip, but it has like a sports bra attached to it, which is brilliant for when I go walking and stuff. So I found this to be nice. It's cool. It's like a little slip to wear inside your t-shirt or as is if you want to, and it is for $4.99. Now, as I mentioned before, I never have belts. I got some belts because I was in desperate need of some. I just remembered that a while back I threw away all my belts because they were all faded or they were all torn up, and basically I don't have belts anymore. So I got this, which was a pack of two. One is brown, one is black. Again, to wear with dresses like those, because I do have dresses like those which need belts. And then I got like a basic black one for my denims. I love the little bow detail on this one. Next up, I got these are 2 travel bottles. These are super duper travel friendly and helpful. I already have like 4 of these, 2 for my husband, 2 for me, and now I got these 2 for Ayurved. When you're traveling, when you're just going out for a few days, and you know, hospital shampoos and conditioners are really crappy and they do nothing for your hair except spoil it. So I prefer carrying my shampoo and my conditioner with me, and of course for Ayurved, I always kind of carry both his shampoo and his body wash, because I'm not going to use like hospital stuff for it, right? So these I find are really helpful. I love the size. They're like this much size and they can last you easily 3 to 4 days. These are for 179. They also have like bigger bottles, so if you're traveling for much longer, you can carry that instead. Then I got this necklace, which I found to be so nice. Look at that. I usually always find necklaces like these in silver. This is the first time I found a necklace like this in kind of antique gold. I think I can call this antique gold, right? So I was really happy with this. This was for $2.99 and I think that's a good price. Then I got some hair ties. I don't know what you call these. Hair ties? I guess you call these hair ties. I always have a basic black one on my hair. Always, and I just thought let's switch it up a little bit. These are different colors of gold and silver and copper, and I was like, yeah, these look pretty, plus they look like spring. So I was like this excited because I get to play with these. Then on your request, I finally got myself some shoes. You guys have been telling me forever to switch up my shoe game, and honestly I do have a lot of shoes and ballerinas, but ballerinas hurt my legs like anything. I get blisters, I get shoe cuts really badly, so that's why I don't really wear a lot of ballerinas or closed shoes. They just hurt me a lot. There was of course a time in my life when I just used to wear sport shoes and nothing else. Like literally I did not wear chappals till up until I was like in college, and in college it became a necessity because I was in Bombay during my college and it was raining heavily and I couldn't wear my sport shoes, so I had to switch over to chappals, and since then I've been wearing chappals all the time. But since you guys told me to switch my game up, I got myself two of these. I have been eyeing these glitter shoes since I think almost 2 years. I mean, I have been loving these even when they weren't back in fashion. They are kind of in fashion right now, but I've been loving these ever since they weren't, and I always wanted a pair, and I always found like either gold ones or silver ones, and then I was really happy with this color, which is kind of copper or rose gold. I don't really know if I can, I think this is rose gold, I'm not sure, but I like the color. I don't know where I'll wear it, but I got it because I love them so much, and these were for $16.99. It's probably not a good idea to shoot this in front of my husband and say the prices out loud. My battery is flashing, so I'm just going to go through this really quickly. Just a few more things are left. I got these shoes which are black and white, basic, and I love it. These are like canvas style shoes, and these are for $8.99. My camera just died. I am recording this on my husband's phone right now, and you can see the TV. I got these amazing pair of reflectors. I've been dying to buy reflectors since like forever, and I finally got a pair. My daddy's laughing at me. So yeah, these are the pair that I got. I'm not sure if I'm happy with my family's reaction to it, but I love them. These were for $7.99, and well, I love them. Now I don't know if they're laughing at me or laughing with me, so I got two things for Aravi. I got a little shirt for him, which is again denim, and it has a little bit of faded और मेरी इस नई वाली शर्ट ड्रेस से भी kind of जाता है. It has tiny triangles in it and looks so cute, and this was for $6.99. I was really impressed with Westside's kidswear collection. It's like on trend. They had denims which had patches on them, and then this is, so I don't make Aravi wear dungarees or those, you know, normal clothes that the kids wear. I just find them very odd, but this I had to buy. It's cute, right? This is so cute. It has a little bowl, so it looks like a little schoolboy dress, and it has gathers over here, which I was like, oh my god, अच्छा है ना? Cute है ना? Of course, the shirt and the pant is separate, so I can always make him wear this separately. But I mean, like seriously, how cute is this? Anyways, that's it for the video. That's it for my haul. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and click that subscribe button, because now apparently I make videos from Monday to Friday. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.